India's Aadhar system is a marvel of engineering. Have enrolled over 95% of the population, but for the last decade, our focus has been entirely on execution, getting people into the system. Today, we face a new, silent crisis: data decay. Every day, millions of Indians migrate for work, change their mobile numbers, or see their children grow up, yet their digital ID often remains static. Here's the solution: enter Aadhar Plus, the unified data analytics interface. Aadhar Plus is a lifecycle health monitor for the Aadhar ecosystem. Unlike traditional reports that track cumulative counts, Aadhar Plus tracks ratio and rates. It answers the critical question: is the infrastructure where the people live are? Built with a high-performance React frontend and a robust Node.js backend, Aadhar Plus processes millions of data points to identify dormant districts and migration corridors in real time. Let me take you through the live platform. We start at the command center. Immediately, you see the custom KPIs that don't exist in official public reports. The MBU compliance ratio, measuring child biometric health, migration intensity, tracking population movement based on address updates. Digital readiness is accessing mobile linkage penetration. Notice the straight lines. While new enrollments, the blue line have plateaued because we have reached saturation. Demographic updates, the green line, are spiking. This proves our thesis: the ecosystem has shifted from creation to maintenance mode. Let's look at our most critical finding, the MBU gap. This chart compares two specific datasets. The bars represent children enrolled 5 years ago. The line represents children updating their biometrics today. Ideally, these should match, but look at their defect. Over 55% of children from the 2018 cohort have not returned to update their biometrics. This isn't just a static, it represents millions of children at risk of being denied school scholarship because their fingerprints no longer match. Aadhar Plus flags their specific states so administrators can trigger targeted SMS campaigns. Next, we tackle internal migration. We don't have real-time census data, but we do have Aadhar address updates. By calculating the ratio of Aadhar changes to new births, Aadhar Plus generates this migration heat map. District in the red are destination hubs, where in every 1 person bar, 1.5 people move in. Conversely, these blue districts are source regions. Currently, UIDAI allocates enrollment kits based on population size. Aadhar Plus suggests allocating these based on veracity, moving machines from the blue zone to the red zone, where wait times are week-longs. But under the hood, Aadhar Plus is a high-performance month-stack application designed for cloud scalability. The backend, we utilize Node.js and Express to build robust REST API. We can see here server.js, how we handle API requests efficiently to server data to our dashboard. The data layer, we choose MongoDB as our NoSQL database. Unlike rigid SQL tables, MongoDB document structure allows us to explore complex nested demographic data for each district without schema bottlenecks. It also allows us to scale horizontally. The pipeline, our custom JavaScript ETL script, insights raw government data, transform it into JSON document, and bulk upsert them into our MongoDB collection. The front end. Finally, the interface is built on React with Vite, utilizing the charts for the visualization. This decoupled architecture ensures the platform is robust and ready for deployment. But here comes the answer, impact, and the conclusion. Finally, we took at digital readiness. We identified dark zone where mobile linkage is under 15%, pushing online services Here we will fail. These areas need physical camps. Aadhar Plus transformed Aadhar data into static record into a dynamic policy too. By shifting our focus on acquisition to lifecycle management, we can ensure that digital identity remains a tool for inclusion, not exclusion.